The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 3. Trying to think that who is number one now? Tashain. Because Sundowns it was 3-1. It's 3-1. So did they cover? Okay, so they didn't cover the difference. Okay, Orlando Pirates are still number one. I suppose it's still on goal difference or number of goals scored. 41 points Pirates, 41 points Mamelodi Sundowns. Congratulations to Sundowns. They beat Sekhukhune 3-1. At some point, it looked scary. It was 1-1 with 20 minutes to go. And then, boom, Mamelodi Sundowns wins the game towards the end. Junior Kanyao, analyst, what did you think of the game, sir?
Yeah, ngikulo mabrother kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Justice.
Yes, sir, Justice.
Benedict Sovilakazi.
So.
Ngibulise uShane.
Yes, sir.
Bobzin. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV. We are fighting one try to fix South African football. Yeah, 6 goals in 2 games. Big teams, 2 big teams in South Africa. I think they're showing other teams if football is kanjani. I'm talking about Orlando Pirates. These games are being sport teams as coming Orlando Pirates. The fixture is being easy. The way abantu bacabanga khona. Also, Sundowns not the easy fixture. Look at the position is Sekhukhune. I think game here today. Uchinka approaching the game. I think first 10 minutes. Uchinka he wanted to play open game. I'm not too sure. He wanted the goal to score and maybe go and pick the pass. But Uchinka the coach meaning is a very intelligent coach, hardworking as well. Yaspana lengwenyani. He understands black players. Senkhuluma ngabodaka ukudlula amanye ama coaches wase South Africa. I mean, I don't think coach Uchinka was coachela according to like access strengths sakhe lesasebenzisa kuSekhukhune. I think he's under pressure somehow. Knowing the technical team how they work, I mean they've been signing high profile players, Abukaduso, Monare, nabu Otladisa bake bafika lapha yana. Some come ukeliso Magalo. One of my expectations ama technical team. In today's game, Uchinka udlale ngamakhayila on the right hand side. Udlale ngonku. Unku I think is lucky. Kunamama player told ukuthi lucky nguleko whereby they travel a lot. Bane like ukuthola ama teams. Kunama expectation unku. Ubuya ku Sundowns, the high profile squad. Lo mchitalo in today's games I don't think he came to the party. Let it down. I think Uchinka njoba ngisho ngibheka funi early goal ngimbonile upress Sundowns yet I think one shot on target whereby uRunwen will save her. If not off target, I can't remember.
But Mukhaila ayithola nge-left, I shoot Mukhaila.
Yes.
In the box and then Uronwen saves it.
Yeah, I think it was on target.
Yeah, it was on
Nakona it was a diagonal run from Mukhaila. But for me, I would play Mukhaila as a wing back, not as a wing forward, because forwards judging decision making. He was let down by these players. Grobler segumuntu omdala, but it's good finisher, experienced player. Umbonile, if umdlalisa according to his strengths sakhe, ufaki wing on the left. This guy was Mozambique or the international player. Ivory Coast. I think ufika ends impact, to let impact, because 2 forward players wing right and left, not even effective. Chumkize, I think in the midfield, bekudlala ngomnare, 2 central midfielders, ahleli amile. He was concerned about Utebza, also Marcelo Allende, and if not mistaken, Jaden Adams as well. But interning Sundowns, interchange of position. I love, in fact, I think Sundowns have got top class players in important position. Number 1, goalkeeper, which is Ronwen Williams. Secondly, Bano Krenkekana, a very important player. Ngikhuluma nge-experience, abantu abakwazi ukudlala high profile goals games about Champions League as well. Also, Tebogo Mokoena sitting Marcelo Allende. Now Jaden Adams has come to the party. Mfana ngifuna ukumcompliment manje. And up front they've got Leo. If akayenzi, there's Renas. Pelu Renas kutangadlala, you don't understand. He performed in high profile tournament in Ngikhuluma nge-Club World Cup. So Renas is not a matter of, I think ibench nalalungisa. So Bobo mentioned something very important. Ibench lalungisa mfethu. There are players ekumele babeke bench. Look at Jaden Adams now. Beyangawaqala mama game amanye awaqala 2 games sometimes he sit last 3 minutes he come because based on my expectation with Jaden. It's Sekhukhune, a coach. I think it was let down after I think 15 minutes. Coach began this thing with critical face-off games. Press Sundowns to get the early goal. We come and defend. Because two midfielders, they have no intention to go with Badla. Mkize, I'm talking of him and Mnare. Also now, we two Mkize. I think it downfall. Yeah, coach with Bangadlali. You understand? I'm not too sure what is a coach instruction would take care because they were failing even to defend against Umkwena. Maybe sometimes we overlaid. Or Munyumunto let it down. Umkhize and Umnare Umncube. You're playing a free role, my brother. As number 10. Yeah. There's no energy. You don't go behind. Because the ball work mele unigo khrobla work mele guide ukuthi flick it run up behind you or let it aslale 1-2 let us play 1-2 how many shot how many times goes behind the defense center taking somebody or playing 1-2 movement of the ball energy ayikho. So I think these two defensive midfielders agcine they overwork because check Umnare always every time he got the ball when Magavusi Inhloko there was no one, he played backwards. He can't run with the ball. Umnare him and Mkhize. Esandile Sundowns in terms of a complementing in today's game. I think Sundowns first round of the season it different and now second round. I think coming after the AFCON. Ngoba compliment because they went back to identity. Mangiti identity. They playing on my pocket. They were playing with too much. Relying down. They've got two best wing back in the country, which is left and right, Mdiba and Mdau. But now, always be with is anybody's ball. If you cross, it's anybody's ball. Now into Peggy pocket by Master Ganjan. Peggy Pola Alende. They move, Upega move, Vicada La Pagata, young white. Is it Kadi La Pagat? It's Matthews Walea, Upega Nadi Welfare Telangakon. Alende not even two step backwards. La Ayala Zipon. I think it was.
What do you think about the new role? Because he's entering the box more now.
Yeah. One end, I think it was instruction from the coach. Zodlala square kanje you and Teams. I don't want you to go forward because of funny ball rotation from the coach relying on wing back kwakhe. If mhlambe bambi the boy two, because bamba boy two Sundowns the way they are so confident, which is mina ngicabanga ukuthi into kumele bayilungise. They can't angeke kambe umndawo kambe nomdiba. I think that thing they need to fix it tactically. You game sometimes they concede because as much as you good, you only good as the way attack you good as defending as well. You must defend. So, but Bona, how they, I think by complement are very well when Angulego, because Utebs are come and drop here central. And then this guy Krinkikana dropped on the left, and then Damani Kone on the left. I think that's exactly the way Pirates in Zangakona now. Well done to Utebs. I think he wants so many second ball. And Utebs a very important player for Sundowns. Sundowns technically can complement in today, clean in terms of passing. Hardly lose the ball in the passing movement of the ball. Quick, I think first round of the season, you can't play round number 5-3. Near builder, but too slow. The goalkeeper or king pace. In the center, I'll figure out the back, Lago Grant to Nigabo Alende, the wheeler back, we can't beat it. We are born on the center, and then you can see the body language. Last stat, look at the goal number 2. I think sometimes they score. Well done to Skukune. I think bringing this guy Ivory Coast on the left. Diomanda. Intenzile. Just, it's not important how you lose the ball. Best players in the world, they risk. So this guy is, he tried to take Umdao on. And he put crosses that are very tempting. So he played Jangadelo. On the left hand side. That's why I think is Kukuni player we say on the left hand side. On the right, they put this guy. I think it's the winger. I can't remember. I think Mashiho, if not mistaken.
I'm not sure who they replaced Mukhaila.
Yes, Mashiane was wing back. There was a guy that they put in the wing forward. Yeah. I think not much of him. The player will be on the left hand side. You understand? Because even Naye Ukelezo came in, not much of him. I will say not much of him. And then Batema Batoli goal, I think it came a change. But Sundowns, let me compliment the coach. I think changing the tactics by bringing Munapule Sading. You need individual brilliance in the team. You can't rely on 16 pale. You need individual brilliance. He came on, Minama winger, so South Africa, this is how we play. That's why these Brazilians, they are so expensive. Abu Neymar, Abu Kaka, Abu Ronaldinho. Players such as I should always say hands. Sometimes you play 1-2, you play. You trap and play simple. But Pegalenta end up when you eliminate 2 players, they go to you, And then now this guy Rinas was. Look at the position ka Rinas. Well done to Salis Nabukurisa akadlala umfana beyangadlali. Ngikhuluma confident. First game at Sundowns, kunama expectation. So Dalil, I think, came in on more than even players at the game. He did an assist from the guy, let impact. And then second goal, individual brilliant as well. I think the pass from the middle field, Jaden Adams, if not mistaken. I think there was a clear defender. I think it's stretched too much. Reina's being arrogant on the ball goes direct. I'm fit to finish something else. So power is starting 11. Upegi grandstand up Mabaiveza. A team that can beat so many teams and go to a premiership can end up maybe number 3. If not, if they are fit, probably even win.
That team on the grandstand could be a top 3 team.
There's a money factor in football. We like it or not. If you go sign up, was Pelamon Malo so many identify. So
you must spend it properly.
Yes, yeah, but so outside compliment Pirates and Sundowns how they sign players. That's why competition is so tight. Both of them, I think, people they can say whatever they want. How in you go and a talent identification, I think vital. So. Ang mga laba chita ba dominating national team, both of them. So in today's games, Bonama came out to that 3 goals. Beautiful game, Sundowns that played today. And also on the Pirates yesterday. So Sundowns in fit. Any intongule wong chelubo. It's not easy to go Goliath. Mau Goliath, everybody want to beat there. These guys, and we need to compliment them. They just came from Alche, MC Alche. A very intensity high game. They play Pirates, honestly. Now they play Cocoon. Pele game lenayo. After Pirates winning pressure.
Yeah, it was almost complicated.
So it tends to be hard to compliment. That's why I think they are so strong, even psychologically, even mindset they have. So well done to Sundowns and Kushana and Mikel Cardoso's handler. I think 3 games in Bugedi, the Pirates, MCLC, this game. Some nego coach, you can't lie because now no good magazines into Zaking Pinding it coach what are you doing? So I'm compliment to coach in fit. I think how the team, even the way change the way read the game, some tactics are changing.
What do you think happened just on them, Mikel Cardoso? What do you think happened? I asked this also at halftime. That Sundowns goes back to its original self, the playing in the pockets and playing with pace. What happened? Because he was not doing that.
One,
Beguna Botato Sibia out of nowhere. And I don't blame those kids. Reinas, we didn't see him. We don't know what happened to him. And the Sundowns was playing, as you were saying earlier in the video, Dalange with. What do you think happened now to him? Because he's coming back to the original Sundowns.
One, we're going to be arrogant. Best things in life, advices are one of them. Without money, you want best things in life, advice is one of them. Second, look, bring a technical team, yama footballers. Nkuluma technical team is Sundowns. How many former players that did very well? Nkuluma was surprised always there. I'm talking about Diabo Hlompo Tiane Mabunda. Tekom this is there. Ingondo yodwa le ehlangene. Villa as well. I'm talking Villa guys. So also I see also Flaming, not always with Kloppy. I'm not too sure. It goes with a tactical change. You understand? So I'm going to surprise always next. So there's zinto. You might players, former players, they said we're no longer playing, we're winning, but we don't win properly. And Mikel Cardoso, Buchemaga check and I sitting down, watching other games Sundowns when Rulani was there, when Pete was there. I think Uzoshati, the type of players that this team brought, but now I credit for him to listen. Because how they play 3, I mean, Bengzotaba testwanga against MC Alche Urulani tactical siamasti, Umuntama tactics Mshahil. I'll carry some Shahil Urulani, honestly. Convincing Shahino Nwadu, convincing. So they went back to the drawing board and say, you only put a former players, star players who did well for you, and then you bring Laping on them. They've got nothing to prove. I mean, by the game. I think by 18 the Menkulu, also in Jobangisho, ukusuka kwakho Flaming ngoba man ukuhlala kwakho phambi kwakhe uHlophi bekwenza into according ngisho ukuthi mina ingqondo yami the way ngicabanga
observation.
Yes, yeah. I think that's ukuphendula iyo leyo nto leyo.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much. It's the turning of the corner for Coach Miguel Cardoso. I suppose the most important prize, of course, is to win the Champions League and win the Betway Premiership. For now, congratulations to the coach and congratulations to Sundowns as well. It is Itiski Times, we're also sweating.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.